India have climbed 24 spots in the FIFA World Rankings, and the man instrumental in this rise is Sunil Chhetri. In an exclusive chat with Times Now, the Indian football captain speaks on AFC Challenge Cup disappointment and closing in on Bhutia's all-time goal-scoring record.
Two impressive wins were followed by a defeat in the final match of the AFC Challenge Cup. An Indian football captain, Sunil Chhetri, believes that result was not acceptable.
Especially qualifying it, winning the main AFC Challenge and going to Asia Cup was huge for us in 2008. And now just to wait and watch is something that I never thought I have to do. It's hard sometimes, but at the end of the day, we ourselves are to be blamed. If we could have taken the chances in the first half, things would have been different.
Having won the tournament in 2008, the Blue Tigers now depend on other results to qualify for the main tournament next year. And coach Wim Kovermans has come under fire for the apparent dip in quality.
For any big coaches in the world, it takes time to understand the players, to formulate his ideas, to make the players understand what he wants. As far as Wim is concerned, we are very happy under him. As I said, technically he's very, very renowned. And also off the field, he collaborates with the player too much. He talks to them all the time. He's always there to advise us.
However, there were highs as well. Skipper Sunil Chhetri now just needs 2 more goals to equal Baichung Bhutia's record for the most goals scored for the country.
The other boots which really helps you go faster. They're very light. On the turns and twists, it really makes you feel comfortable, especially the new ones. It has been helping me a lot. I think 90% of the goals I've scored are for Mercurials. So, and as far as the records are concerned, there's never in your back of the mind. You just want to play for the country, score as much as you can, win as much as you want to, or you can. The records will come and go.
Having gained valuable experience in Sporting Lisbon, on loan Sunil Chhetri now hopes to lead Churchill Brothers to the I-League title and help the national team slowly climb the FIFA ranking table. Sports Bureau, Times Now.